Hey everyone, so I'm doing a cooking video as requested, but it's Friday, so Sabbath's about to come in and I'm about to make dinner. I wanted to do something very quick and easy, so I am doing some beef enchiladas, and this is actually going to be my first time doing it, but I just decided to do this because tomorrow for Sabbath I'm going to have a taco salad, and yeah, my kids are going to eat PB&J, chips, granola bar, all of that. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and get ready to cook so we can eat. Okay, so for this meal you are going to need some cheese of your choice. I did the Mexican cheese. You can also do the cheddar cheese. Some red enchilada sauce. I have 2. Some ground beef, and I got this big one because I'm halving it, so I'm gonna cook some of it for taco salad, which is why I have this. So that's for my taco salad, which is separate. So just for the enchilada, this, the cheese, the red enchilada sauce, and some tortillas. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking the food. So the first thing I'm doing is, let me get this. I am going to preheat my oven to 375. Okay, hold on, I'll be right there. I'm gonna preheat my oven to 375. 375. Now, Z, can you wait? So okay, great job. Good, okay? You need it to be good. You need it to taste good. Wonderful. Wonderful. Alright, so I'm putting this is onion powder. I'm putting that in first. And y'all, I'm very, feel free to add whatever vegetables or onions you want to add in there. I'm not adding any onions. Not this time because this is my first time, so I want to make sure that we like it. And normally we don't get onions when we are, even if we're like ordering any type of Issachar food or anything like that, we don't get a lot of onions. Unless I'm getting like a bowl, I might do some onions. Or quesadillas. That's about it. And I'm sorry, my lighting is horrible. You know what? I can make that better though. Alright, so I know the lighting is kind of weird, y'all, but I'll be able to bend y'all down so y'all can see. I had to really rig this up. It's really dark. I didn't realize it was so dark over here in my kitchen like this. But yeah. Season salt, because you still have to add I'm going to add my, where is it? I'm adding my taco seasoning to this as well. So I wanted to have like a little bit of that taco flavoring. Please do not fall, because this is okay. I'm back, and this is so much better. I forgot that my ring light can like shrink, so this is so much more easier. But yeah, there we go. So much better. Okay, so season that food. Yummy, yummy. Just a little bit more salt. I'm not gonna do no more. And I'm gonna do some more pepper. So mad I forgot my garlic powder. But yeah. So I'm actually following a recipe that I got from Pinterest. So I'm just gonna be doing all type of Pinterest recipes. So I don't have any. You want to grease your pan too, so you want to make sure you have a pan and you want to grease it. So I use olive oil. Use this the correct way. I'm gonna put it on top. So I'm gonna go. Y'all know I figured that I had been using the can opener the wrong way all my life. So,
Mom,
yes,
what's cooking?
I'm making some enchiladas.
Can I make enchiladas?
Not right now at this moment because Mommy's actually filming a video while we do it. But maybe we'll do like a cooking thing where you help me cook something else, okay? So that way we can have something that, because I don't know if you're gonna actually like this. So that's the first thing you want to do, and like really make sure this food is seasoned well. Season. Because the last time I used it, he was like, it ain't even hot. I was like, okay. So I was like, it might be a little spicy, but he was like, it's not even spicy. So if anything, I want it to be flavorful and not like burning your mouth, like where you can't enjoy the food spicy. So that's not what I go for when I cook. So yeah, it's gonna be good though. But I pray all of y'all are having a lovely Sabbath prep, getting ready for Sabbath. I'm gonna actually turn this up, you know, getting ready. Turn this down a little bit. There you go. Getting ready to rest, spiritually recharge. Like I am so ready to do that. I've had a bit of a week. I've had some things where I'm just trying to get, you know, not get stuff together, but just solutions, basically. Solutions. I was very happy with myself. I was able to really get like some good studying time in and stuff like that, like almost each day. So very happy about that. I've been trying to also make sure, yeah, so this is almost done. So I'm going to taste it one more time. And I like to make sure that everything is broken up like really small. So I get in there and really go in. Hold on. So really break it up. Break. And I'm going to so when you're pouring half of the can into the pan, when you pour this into the pan, you're only pouring half the can. So here's my pan. I'm only pouring half of the can. Yeah. So that's me pouring half of the can. And I'm just gonna go like this so it can be kind of like everywhere. Alright. So that's there. And this is still kind of cooking, which I don't mind. I'm trying to keep up with it. Okay. And then what I want to do is add the remaining half of this to this. And then 1 cup of the shredded cheese. Like I said, you can use cheddar or what. It doesn't matter. Whatever you want to use. I'm taking it off the heat for a little bit too. It said add remaining. I'm just going to put a little bit of the new one because it looked like it didn't have enough. Okay? Looked like it needed a little something. So, alright. There we go for that. And then I'm getting my cheese. It said a cup. It said 1 cup, so I'm just going to do eyeball it. Yes? Okay, well hold on. I'm going to get the cereal. And this is about 1 cup. That's about 1 cup. And then we're going to just stir this up. So stir well, and you can switch to a spoon. I still got my my spatula because it's about to be Sabbath. I'm not gonna have a lot of dishes to wash. So after you do this, you want to spoon 1/4 of the meat mixture down the middle of a tortilla and wrap it tightly and place seam down in baking dish. Repeat until dish is full. Depending on the amount of beef used, you can make anywhere between 8 and 10 pieces. So do this. So all of that is done. Remainder of the cheese. I'm kind of gonna use my hand, and I got some cheddar cheese if I need to. If I need to I feel like none of the sauce kind of got. All right.
So we ready to go. These done.
I'm gonna put them in the oven and let them cook for 20 minutes.
Ooh.
They look good.
Oh, well, I was supposed to taste that.
That was all right.
It's all right.
It's not. You gotta cook. We gotta see.
You made it super spicy, didn't you?
No, I put a little bit of. You seen the red peppers?
I know where you from.
No, I didn't make it super spicy.
All right, y'all. So look, this is what we doing.
Can you hold it up and just like watch me put it in? Why it look green?
It's green, y'all.
All right, and the camera's going dead. All right, so I'm gonna bake it.
The camera's going dead. 20-something
Hey,
minutes.
Siri, set a
I
timer
got a
for
big
20
head,
minutes.
y'all. Set the timer for 17 minutes and 14 seconds.
20 minutes and counts. Okay, I'm done. So silly. Alright, so my camera went dead, but this is the final look, the outcome of it, and it looks so good. So I am excited, and I just took it out, so it's really hot. So I'm gonna just let it sit, and yeah, it's nice and ooey and gooey. This is my farewell meal for beef. I didn't want to do tacos. Well, my Lord did not want to do tacos at all, so I was like, let's do this. And neither one of us had this, so this looks like it's going to be good. Y'all put yum yum in the comments, okay? Cause it look yummy, 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 yummy to my tummy, tummy, tummy.